riding on a crazy train. Semi-driver sitting at the gate, waiting to bring in a load. He used to haul Budweiser and lots hand sanitizer, but he's just glad to be on the road. He's got to give way to a load of TP, 'cause they got priority. Don't have to make sense, this new reality. But riding on a crazy train, with the whole world gone insane. You don't have to be crazy to ride it, but we're all sharing the pain. You're riding on a crazy train. We're riding on a crazy train. 10 million people looking for work. I never thought I'd see that again. There's people out there wearing bras on their faces. Lord, what's happened to the human races? If this thing don't slow down soon, our next stop might be the moon. Yeah, come on, people, let's get off this crazy train. You're riding on a crazy train, with the whole world gone insane. You don't have to be crazy to ride it, but we're all sharing the pain. You're riding on a crazy train. We're riding on a crazy train. This thing don't slow down soon, our next stop might be the moon. Come on, people, let's get off this crazy train. We're riding on a crazy train, with the whole world gone insane. You don't have to be crazy to ride it, but we're all sharing the pain. You're riding on a crazy train. We're riding on